Bebe! Sinundo ko muna ang aking cute na pamangkin. Maganda yan. Say hi, bebe.
Hi.
Hi. Una, ikaw doon. Tapos say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Sakay na tayo, be. Kapit niya, tita.
Nakalinis.
May ano ka pa? May food? You want to buy a food? Mommy, have money.
Nasaan na si Anjay?
Sino?
Anjay, Miranda?
Oh no! That's Andy. It's your mom.
Yeah, I said my mom's name.
Mm.
I was texting.
Why, ano? Not mommy. Mommy.